everyone, Jessica Whitaker here. I am a New York City based photographer. Today we are in Washington State and I'm going to be bringing you behind the scenes on a really cute special photo shoot with two sisters. I've gotten the request a ton to do a photo shoot with two friends, sisters, and just how I would go about posing that and making it really fun. And this shoot was so adorable. We are at a really cute local coffee shop and we have so much fun in this session, and I cannot wait to show you guys a bunch of poses that you can apply at your next client photo shoot. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for even more photography videos, tips, and tricks. You guys subscribing takes literally 2 seconds and seriously gives me the opportunity to continue to create even more free photography tutorials and videos on a weekly basis. I love being able to bless your business and your creative career with these tutorials. I can't do it without you guys subscribing. Before we get started, I want to thank Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Again, another way I'm able to continue to create free videos on a weekly basis by having sponsors such as Squarespace. From websites to online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to run your business and to build a beautiful online presence. I've personally used Squarespace for 2 or 3 years now on my photography website and Build and Bloom's website, and I love how user-friendly and intuitive it is. They not only have dozens of designer templates, but they also are truly all-in-one in the sense that you can do email marketing and campaigns, which is a really awesome new feature. You can host your website through them or plug in a custom domain, even have an online store. So I sell my presets on my store. I also sell merchandise through Build and Bloom. Seriously guys, I love Squarespace. I cannot recommend them enough. Squarespace is so easy to use that honestly, you can build a beautiful professional website in just a weekend. You guys can head to squarespace.com and start your free trial, and when you are ready to launch your beautiful professional website, head to squarespace.com/Jessica Whitaker to get 10% off of your first purchase of a website or a domain. I have my link down below. Be sure to go check it out, subscribe, and let's hop into the video. So for the window photos, I want you guys to be like very close, almost where it feels like it's too close. Even though in real life, whenever we are sitting down, we're like 2 feet apart or so. For these photos, it will look kind of awkward if you're too far. So I want to stay super close. You can like take the cup, sip it, kind of take a bite of the cookie. We'll all maybe do exactly, like I'll let you know when to take a bite. Yes. But I think that'd be super cute. Looking at each other, really big smiles. If you feel like you're smiling too much, it's perfect. Good. And yeah, so I'm gonna do it from outside, and then I'm gonna try to communicate with you guys. Well, you might be able to hear me through the glass, but I'll let you know.
I don't know, I will.
I'll just do motions.
Okay.
And then yeah, I'll let you guys know, like, okay, look at me, hold it. The only thing is, whenever I'm shooting through glass, it does take a little bit longer to get the shot because there's more factors. Like I want to make sure that there's nothing reflecting on your face, so it takes me a second to set up the shot. But once I have the shot set up, then just keep going. But it might take a little bit longer than the other poses that we do, okay? But yeah, okay, so it's gonna be so cute. You guys are so good. You're so cute. Okay, so let me grab my camera. So because we are shooting outside through the glass, there is a little bit of a reflection going on. If you guys want the full tutorial on how to shoot through glass windows, it's a very particular process. I will link it up on the iCards up here. I actually did a tutorial on this a few years ago at the same location, so I definitely recommend you guys watching that. But for the starting out with the two sisters, I want them to be sitting down. This is one of my top poses, just because it's less limbs for people have to worry about. They can do something with their hand. Could also do ice cream. We might do ice cream. There's an ice cream store around here. I don't know if it's open, but get creative. But this is a great way to begin the shoot because they're occupied doing something. They might feel even more comfortable because it's just them rather than them and then a photographer. So it's just a great natural way to begin. Both of you look at me and smile. And hold your coffee cups. Yeah. And yep, perfect. Okay, and then cheek to cheek. Perfect. Turn, Lily, turn your yeah, and then Donna, come up closer. Okay, good. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Even bigger smile, Donna. Yeah, perfect. Lily, can you put your arm around her? Perfect. And then look at me, Donna. Perfect. Now take a sip. We're just getting a variety of different shots. Like I kind of talked about inside the coffee shop, typically takes a little bit longer just because I have other environmental factors, not just their poses and them, but also the reflection and the outside. So it will take you a little bit longer to get these shots, but it lets them also enjoy the coffee and kind of the whole experience of the photo shoot. Remember that the typical person doesn't get the opportunity to have their portraits taken that often, so maybe this is their second time ever having their photos done outside of maybe their senior portraits or engagement shoot. So doing this is an experience for your client, and you want to make sure that they're super comfortable. That's again why I really started them out here in the coffee shop, where it's a little bit warmer than it is outside, and where they have the chance to just relax and really start the shoot off on a high note and a fun time, rather than saving this for last. That's just my recommendation. You can do it however you'd like, but definitely take your time. Okay, so now I just moved them to be a little bit closer to me. I was having a hard time with the backdrop because it's golden hour right now, perfect, and the sun is setting on this side. I was just having a hard time getting more in focus from the front of the store because of how the sun was coming in with the reflection. So I just moved them down, have them a little bit closer to me and at a different angle. I can have a little bit more in the backdrop just for a variety, and then we're gonna move to the next window. So there's a lot we can do at this location. We could even have them out on this bench, so we're just gonna get creative with it. Okay, so come a little bit closer together. Yeah, cute. Okay, give me just 1 second. And also though, I can communicate through this door if I need to. Shout out to the local coffee shop. Okay, now can you guys just look at each other? Still be a little close and smile really big and laugh. Perfect, you guys. Beautiful. Okay, just keep doing that. You did, Donna, seriously, you're doing like so amazing. Keep laughing, just like the big candid smiles. Perfect. And then Lily, same thing too. Just remember, keep your faces really close together. So sweet. Donna, can you look a little bit more toward, yes, perfect. And then Lily, can you bring your face a little bit closer to her? Yeah, there we go. I know it's gonna be a little bit awkward of an angle, but, and then big smiles, you guys. Beautiful. Donna, can you give me a really fake laugh? Like what I said was just super funny. So cute, you guys. I actually really like this perspective a bit more. Big smiles.
It's a lot cozier.
Yeah, I like the couch a little more. Hey Donna, can you sit up a little bit higher? Yeah, perfect, perfect. Okay, this is really cute. I like that there's more in the background. It's a little bit warmer. Cute. Okay, these are perfect. Cute, cute. I kind of want, oh my gosh, these are cute. For these kind of photos, as you could see, I was showing them the images. This is something super important to do with all your clients, just because it gives them reassurance that A, the photos are looking good and that the poses aren't too, like, I don't know, unnatural, especially with these kind of shots. The way that they're like close up against each other and like the way that they're turned might feel a little unnatural, but it works for the photo. So you want to show your client and reassure them, look, this looks really good, and also though that they're doing a great job, so that they just have confidence in themselves.
Laugh. I can. You can. You can laugh. Go ha ha ha. Do a big smile. Good job.
Wow, that's really good. These are looking so cute. Okay, I'm gonna do some from the inside now, but look at how cute. See how just like kind of adjusting the jaw and tilting the head towards me. I just see so much like more of your face than of just the hair. That's better. The prayer box. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so cute.
Can I take a picture of it with it?
Mm-hmm. Of you with it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Donna loves prayer.
We love a prayer warrior in this house.
Donna made the prayer queen.
So we're doing just a few more shots inside the coffee shop. Let's get the coffee cups back up there. And then I'm gonna have you guys just holding them. Yes,
But we're gonna pretend like we're not.
Yeah, you're gonna be pretending. Okay, so I'm gonna have you guys just look at each other again and smile big. Cute, cute, cute. Now can you guys put your cheeks together for me? Yeah, perfect. And then really big smiles. Okay, Donna, I'm gonna have you slightly bring your glasses down just a tiny bit on your, can I bring it down for you?
Yeah,
We're
please.
just gonna go like this real quick so that we don't get the reflection in them.
Okay.
Just for photos. So if you're ever doing photos with glasses, a way you can avoid having a reflection so you can see the eyes is just by bringing them down a little bit further and then being just very careful, or bringing them all the way up onto the face. But in this case, I'm just bringing them down a little bit so we don't have the reflection in them. We actually haven't had any reflection at all up until this point, but just a little tip for glasses. Beautiful. Okay, and now can you guys put the coffee down, and let's do, Donna, can you give Lily a hug too? Like a cute sister hug.
Oh yes.
Cute.
Lily, you look just like your mom right there.
Do I really?
You just made a face.
These are super cute. Okay, and then can you guys laugh? Hee hee hee. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, that's so sweet. Oh my gosh, love it. Oh my gosh, so cute. Your mom's gonna love
Oh,
these.
she's gonna die. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, cute. So cute. Do you want to look through your photos?
What?
Here, look through and you can see. Use this dial. Hold it up.
Okay. Camera don't have myself.
Look at how cute.
I like it.
You're doing such a good job. You're doing so good. So really big laughs.
Oh, that one with
I
us sipping
love-
our coffee.
So
I like
cute.
My mom will cry.
She's gonna love
it.
these.
Oh yeah.
You guys are so cute. Lily, can you move your hands so I can see a bit more of it? Big smile. Really big smile, Donna, ready? 1, 2, go. Perfect. Cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you found inspiration and learned something. Be sure to subscribe down below for even more photography videos, tips, and tricks. You guys can find me on Instagram, where I love to share on a daily basis free tools and resources to build your photography business. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!